Hey everyone. Today, in the same project like PlantGPT, we are going to go through the code a bit and like figure out like how this whole thing works. I try to keep it simple. So at the very basic level, I'm importing libraries. You are going to install with pip onto your local Mac. That's what I'm using right now. And then import Flask. That's the server to set up and then call WhatsApp webhooks. So basically, you need WhatsApp access token from WhatsApp. You need to set up some verify token, which can be random, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is too easy. But try to put something which is difficult in the production. But when you're testing out, you can put something simple. And then the WhatsApp API URL. Here you'll get an ID from the. So you go to WhatsApp business website, go to the developer portal, sign up, and then you'll get your ID, and you should put your ID here. And from Google AI Studio, you're going to get your API key. You're going to put that here. And I actually tried to use the Google AI Studio generated code to work it out, but I had like a lot of issues. So, like any other person, I just Googled and found like a good repo on GitHub. It's you need to do some minor changes, but it's working very well. I'll try to put the repo for the repo that I found out. Shout out for the person, Atul Nubi. And then basically I'm setting up the Flask server. This is all like setting up the model, and then you have like the model information. You can see this kind of setup in the Google AI Studio itself. Once that is done, this is the small code that actually sends the generated text from your model to the WhatsApp. So basically here you need to again put your ID here, and then the access token that I put at the top will come here, and then you will actually sign up for some test phone numbers, and you should put your phone number here. You can also put this in your environment file and then call into your code. I just try to put it in a simple format, but you need to change this and put your phone number. And then the main functionality like that's happening here. So basically you're setting up your Flask server, and there should be a connection between your Python code and WhatsApp. So this is what that connection is. Basically, it's kind of a check whether you are actually the right person talking to WhatsApp. So that's what's happening here. If you're not the right person, so there is this verify token, right? If the token is wrong, or if something is wrong, the WhatsApp webhook will not be connected to your Flask server. That's the issue I faced before, and solved it out with Servio. Once this is connected, then all you got to do is like figure out, okay, whether the user is sending a text or sending an image or sending an audio file. And based on that, you send this information back to Google AI model. And once you get a response, that response is sent to, basically, remember like the send function here on the top. It will be this function will be called, and then the user will get the response. That's it. I mean, hardly like 129 lines of code where you can send a picture in WhatsApp or ask any question in WhatsApp. That information will be sent to Google AI model, and you get the response back to your WhatsApp.